Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Now we want to verify the location with reference to base map. For that we need one plugin. Go to plugins, install plugin with map service which I have already installed. So close it. Now go to plugin, install, open topography downloader. I have already installed it, so click it and search the NASA global dam. Now click the NASA global dam 30-meter resolution and save this GeoTIFF raster file on your computer. Now we want to save we want to observe this dam canvas in pseudo color for better visualization. So select the dam and go to properties, pseudo color single band and select a suitable color ramp. Now go to raster, extraction and then contouring, and in the form select the value as elevation, contour interval, it is hilly, high altitude area, so select it 5 as low as width and click it. Go to properties, level, and on the line and run it. We should install one value tool to exactly see the points value of RL. So go to plugin, install value tool. In this case I have already installed it, so close it and run it and hover the mouse over the canvas and you will see the altitude 5000, 6000, that is equivalent to 15,000, 18,000 feet. Now ultimately we want 3D terrain model, So go to view, 3D view, 3D new map, configure, and you should adjust that vertical scale little bit higher, means 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, to clearly visualize the altitude. So here I am putting with 3. Now rotate this model and you can observe the terrain, how difficult it is. आप क्लियरली देख रहे हैं इन पहाड़ों के बीच में वैली, जहाँ पर वो खूनी संघर्ष हुआ था। उन शहीदों की यादों को ताज़ा करने के लिए जल्दी ही सिने जगत के दबंग आ रहे हैं, जो दुश्मनों को एक एवरलास्टिंग मैसेज भी देंगे। यदि ये वीडियो 1% भी अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। जय हिंद।